How to reset Windows Update components on Windows 10. This video guide will cover these contents: reset Windows Update using Windows Troubleshooter. Fix Windows Update installing latest update manually. Fix Windows Update by installing latest servicing stack update, SoftwareDistribution. Fix Windows Update repairing corrupted system files. Reset Windows Update from command prompt. 1. Reset Windows Update using Windows Troubleshooter. 2. Fix Windows Update. By installing latest update manually. Hint: access Windows 10 update history at https://support.microsoft.com/n-a/help/40999479. 3. Fix Windows. Update by installing latest servicing stack update, SoftwareDistribution. Hint: check https://msrc.microsoft.com/update-guide/n-a/vulnerability/adv990001. 4. Fix Windows. Update by repairing corrupted system files. Commands include dism.exe /online/cleanup image/restore health sfc/scan05. Reset Windows Update from command prompt. Commands include net